friends, let's do this awesome riff by Aerosmith. We have the open A string, first fret, 2nd fret, then jump to the 2nd fret on the D. Then go back to the A string, open, 1st fret, 2nd fret, 2nd fret on the D again, and then play the open E. Then we're going to repeat that again. A, open, 1, 2, 2 on the D. A, open, 1, 2, 2 on the D. Then do a bend on the 3rd fret E and 2nd fret D. So that's second one through. Then we're going to repeat the first one again. The second one again. Now instead of going to the 3rd fret on the E, we're just going to play an A pedal chord. So let's try that at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try that up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.